Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So today is time for me to share with you the January detox box, and I'm super excited to be bringing you this box this month because it is an amazing value. Like it always is, but this month in particular is a really amazing value. Two disclaimers before I get into this. First, I know I haven't finished off my 2019 favorite series. I promised my sustainable living fashion favorites. That is still coming. I'm having to take a brief interlude from that series to do some subscription boxes, and I wanted to just get these posted as quickly as possible. My Petit Four box will be coming up soon as well. But the reason I wanted to do that is in case you guys are interested in the boxes, they're a bit time sensitive, whereas my sustainable living favorites are not as time sensitive. I promise that video will be up before the end of the month, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at naturallybeautifulgirl so you can keep up with all of my non-toxic beauty and sustainable living content and you don't miss out on anything. Also, the second disclaimer is I am an affiliate with the Detox Market and they do send me their detox box. So I am gifted this box, but as you guys know, I always give you my honest thoughts and opinions on any products that I try, regardless of whether they are sent to me or not. I'm going to just share with you my thoughts on the product this month. There's only one product and there's a very good reason why. So the one product you get in this month's detox box is from Iuna, and it is the Iuna Cellular Oil. And first off, can we just take a moment for this packaging? Choirs of angels were singing when I took this out of the box, which I also saved this because this is the box that the bottle came in. It's just so beautiful. And I really appreciate that it is recyclable. I mean, I don't want to get rid of it, but I will recycle it. But it's just beautiful packaging. But the cellular oil is by Iuna. This is actually the third Iuna product I've tried. I tried out their body lotion and I believe it was their cream 2. I think it was the cream 2 that came in a Beauty Heroes box. And as I said with those products, they were really lovely products. They were just really expensive. The cream I actually ended up gifting to a friend just because it wasn't quite the right product for my skin type, and it's a beautiful, luxurious product and I knew that she would enjoy it more than I did. I do have oily, acne-prone skin. This cellular oil is $185 and you get 1 fluid ounce, which is also 30 milliliters of product. So it's a pretty small amount. The one nice thing I found with face oils is I go through them very slowly. You only need 2, maybe 3 drops to cover your entire face. I use oils just at night. I do have oily skin. This is the type of product though that you could use morning and night, or just in the morning or just at night, however you need it. But for me and my skin type, I find that applying oil serums works best at night. Even though the price of Iuna products are really high, it is a very thoughtful brand. There's a lot of thought that is put into the formulation of the products. They're beautiful. They're made in Spain. Iuna is a Spanish brand, which you guys know I have a love affair with Spain, all things Spanish. This is definitely a beautiful Spanish brand. So I want to give you my thoughts on this oil itself. So I've tried a lot of different face oils, and we all know that my thoughts on face oils are that I want oils that are moisturizing, that leave my skin feeling very moisturized, very hydrated, but are not heavy. I want the oil to sink into my skin and actually work instead of kind of sitting on top of my skin and feeling heavy. That's what I mean by an oil serum feeling heavy, is when it just kind of sits on top of my skin and doesn't absorb in. This oil is beautiful. I expected for the price and that it was an Iuna product that it would be a beautiful product, and it certainly is. It sinks into my skin. It leaves my skin feeling so hydrated, so moisturized. I have not used it in the morning, but I can tell from the way it's been working at night that if I did want to use it in the morning, it would definitely work well. I also have to say this product layers and plays beautifully with other skincare products. I'm sure you guys all have products in your skincare lineup that kind of don't play well with others, and I've had that with some oil serums in the past. But this one, really whatever I throw at it, regardless of how I layer this product, I really find that it sits well. It doesn't cause other skincare products to ball up or anything like that. It really has been beautiful. The container itself is a glass. I find it really nice when products come in glass bottles. It's also got this beautiful dropper as well. And as you can see, the oil is actually quite clear. It really doesn't have a tint. And I feel like this seals very well, so it's going to keep it nice and airtight and protected. So what are my thoughts? My thoughts are I really like this oil. Like, this is probably one of the best face oils I have tried in the non-toxic beauty space. And the good news is that it's in the December detox box, which it traditionally is $185, but you are getting it starting at around $40 depending on what subscription you sign up for. So what I have to say is, if you are at all interested in this product, this really is the month to sign up for the box. I'm not just saying that because I'm an affiliate. I do have affiliate links in the description, but if you don't want to use them to sign up, you don't have to. If you want to use them and support me, I would greatly appreciate that, so I can keep bringing you more non-toxic beauty content and sustainable living content. It allows me to purchase new products, try them for you guys, which I know you like. But really, honestly and truly, it is a beautiful, beautiful oil. I had high hopes for it, like I said, because it was from Iuna, because it is a very expensive, very thoughtfully formulated product, and I have to say it really lived up to my expectations. Would I purchase this if it were outside the box? Probably not. I just can't wrap my head around paying $185 for the product. I have a hard limit of what I will spend on skincare or makeup products, and that is just well above that limit. So I would not purchase it outside of the box, but being in the box, it is an amazing, amazing deal. Also, great gift. Even if you don't want this product for yourself, if you want to subscribe to the box and then hold on to this to give it as a gift. I know the holidays just passed, but somehow a ton of people in my family all have January birthdays. So perfect for birthdays, you know, a lot of spring birthdays as well typically. I guess what I'm saying is, if there were a month to sign up for the detox box, this is it. It is one of the best deals that you will find on a beautiful product that, especially during these winter months, is going to be excellent for your skin and really keep your skin feeling healthy and happy. I hate bringing the news of this is an amazing product when it's this expensive, but it really is. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any further questions for me, please leave them in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!